Hi guys, welcome back to the Tutors Tutor, where I help you with online teaching and give you new ideas to make passive income online. Now, I have been busy with a number of projects and teaching at the same time. So I do have a lot to share with you guys in the next weeks to come about more ways to make passive income. The other day, I was live on TikTok and everyone was interested in knowing how I find my private students. For me, there are three ways that I've used. This is just one of them. So, this is the first video in the series on how to find your own private students for online teaching. So, let's dive deeper. Now, this method is specifically geared to the Chinese market. If you want to find students outside of the Chinese market, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so that you are notified the moment I upload my next video on finding students outside of China because it is a totally different method. And I'll tell you why in a second. Before I share the app with you, I have uploaded a video that should pop up about now where I did share what you need to consider before becoming an independent online teacher. There are steps that you need to follow, and it's also a mindset change that needs to happen. So please watch that video if you feel that you're not sure if this is the correct route for you. Going this route means that you have to do everything yourself. There's no one that is going to do anything for you. So do watch my previous video for guidance on things that you need to set up, things that you need to have in place before going online teaching independently. Now, also, please remember, do not limit yourself. You have the whole world that you can teach. And when it comes to private teaching, you don't only have to teach English. Also, believe in your work. If you don't believe in what you're teaching, how do you expect anybody else to believe in it, let alone the student? And I cannot stress this one enough. Be fair. Be fair. The three at the bottom go hand in hand. Be fair, do not exploit students, and do not undercharge. When you are setting up your classes, be fair, be reasonable about the time, be reasonable about how much they need to pay, and discounts if you want to have any, be reasonable and fair about that. Just because you can get more money out of students doesn't mean you have to. Do not exploit them. They are human beings at the end of the day. And also, a lot of teachers coming into the industry think that they have to undercharge so that they can get more students. You don't specifically have to do that because it makes it difficult for the other teachers who are also trying to charge a decent rate because parents now think that they have to pay less, and it takes a lot to teach, especially if you're giving quality. If you're not giving quality, then speak for yourself. Now, this is the app. If you want to find students in China because you feel more comfortable teaching Chinese, then you cannot look on Facebook. You cannot look on Google. You cannot look on Instagram or any other platform where we are on. You have to think like a Chinese person. You have to enter their world. The application where I found most of my students is on the Little Red Book. Sorry about that. It is on the Little Red Book, also known as Xiaohongshu. If I have butchered that word, I'm not Chinese, guys. I tried my best. This application is very similar to Instagram, so please note that most of the time there is Chinese text and you will have to translate to set up your profile. In the next video, I will have an in depth video on how to actually set up your profile and optimize it so that you can find the students that you want. So guys, here is the name. Go and check it out and download this application. Now over here, I have a video of what it actually looks like. Oh, okay. So there's interest that I have to choose. It's possibly because I have not been on the application for about 2 weeks. Um, Mostly because I'm happy with the number of students that I have at the moment. I also need to balance my life. So let's just pick a random few here. Oh, okay, let's take that and let's go. So you won't really always find this on the application. Oh, my video failed to save. Okay, let's try and upload it again. Again. Okay, not working. Let's just delete that and save it for later. So this is what the application looks like. As you can see, most of it is in Chinese text. You're going to have to translate what I use for translating is I take a screenshot of it and I upload it to WeChat. WeChat is the next application you should be using. If not, I don't know why you're not, but let me know in the comment section if you'd like me to make a video on WeChat. I would be more than willing to. So these are some examples of the videos that I've uploaded. I deleted my
And while
first
you're
post
alone
and
at
now I
home,
wish I hadn't. The first time I found out about the application was in January, but I only really took an interest in it in about March. And how I found out about it was because I was teaching on Hello Talk. You can also check that out. It's another application. I was doing live streaming on Hello Talk, and a lot of my students told me about it. So here you can see other teachers uploading they have sample videos and just basic lifestyle. So my approach was really to have fun. I would record short videos of me teaching and upload them right after recording it. There was nothing fancy, nothing scripted, just me in the classroom. And I think that is what got the attention of the students or the parents that I currently have because they saw me in reality. I was just being me, you know. So yeah, have a go-to plan when you are uploading videos. Ask yourself questions like what kind of content do I want parents to see, especially if you're not teaching already. So what will you be uploading on your profile? Do drop a comment and let me know in the comment section what type of content you think you'd feel comfortable with when you go onto the application. So thank you for watching, guys. Please hit the like button if this video helped you get closer to your journey. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you are always notified the moment I upload a new video. I will see you guys in the next video where I show you how to set up your profile and how to optimize it so that you can have the best growth. See you very soon. Bye, guys.